Hi everyone, Humosapia is here. I wanna show you how to create the typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! As the first step, you need to select the type tool and clicking on your preview screen to enter your text. In our case, we are Humosapia. Basing on your wishes, you can also modify the text, making the letters bigger or smaller, up to you. After that, go to Effects and write Crop. Drag the crop on the text. Let's scroll down to find the function. Perfect, everything is here. You just need to click on the right. And let's add the first frame with 100%. It will be in the beginning. And let's add another frame with 1%. It should go to the end. As the last step, we just add the sound effect on the video. And let's play it. Guys, let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.